So my sister's house is a drop-in center and emergency shelter for transgender individuals. We prioritize Black and brown trans women for our housing and the resources that we provide. We also provide a lot of wraparound services like name and gender changes. We have social support groups. We offer survival kits to community members who are experiencing homelessness, as well as hot meals on Thursdays. During our Hot Meal Thursdays, we prepare food here at the drop-in center. We take that food out to different areas throughout the city where people experiencing homelessness hang out.
I'm happy that I'm here, because without this place, I don't know where I would be at. Don't have an idea.